Hello, this is Retreat Briefing in Tuesday, March 19th. So today's thumbnail is check March 6th lowest price. A little weird topic, isn't it? So now, comparing to Bitcoin's highest price, current price dropped almost 10% and still less than normal altcoins. But so most experts think of this correction as a good correction. However, in my opinion, the bearish trend and overall correction will last quite longer. Now let's have a look at details. So this is today's dominance in morning and Bitcoin dominance and Tether dominance here. Bitcoin dominance and Tether dominance kept increased, and Ethereum and altcoins dominance decreased. So most cryptos had a drop, but altcoins falling trend is much bigger, so it seems like this, I think. And this is a Goya Dominance 1 chart, and it's minus 42.44 in 12 p.m. in South Korea. So if you look at this weekly Goya Dominance 1, it moved in sideways for a long time between minus 20 to 20, and today is the first day with minus over 40, so we need to pay attention for a big correction. So nobody except the market movers knows where this correction will end, so it is definitely not a good timing to buy or sell. So we will have a look at current Goya Dominance 1 later with our Goya Premium chart. So this is a liquidation heat map for the last 24 hours, and really most cryptos fell for 24 hours. It is mostly long positions liquidated, and the total amount is $307 million. And you can see from here it's over 3 times more long positions were liquidated. So I think many people expected a rebound but failed to succeed. It's been a bull market over 1.5 month. So they just cannot believe what's happening right now, I think. And this is a liquidation heat map for the last 4 hours, and it is still decreasing. And I think it's because of this week's major economic indicators, because this weekend, Wednesday in US, Thursday early morning in South Korea, we have a US interest rate release, and 95% of people are expecting no change, and maybe decrease in June if it's fast enough. So basically, if the interest rate doesn't change, small rebound is expected. And if the interest rate increase, crypto market will have a big falling market. So if the interest rate doesn't change, next volatility will be made in Powell's speech on Friday. So focus on trading or avoid trading is recommended to you guys. And this article is related to what I've said at the beginning. So most of experts are thinking that this correction is beneficial for further increase for Bitcoin. However, I personally think that more correction might come, or long sideways market that seem to rise but actually don't rise will happen soon, I think. So I really hope I'm wrong, but there should be someone who suggests negative insights rather than saying positive to any situations. And the reason why I mentioned March 6th is because Bitcoin didn't reach there yet, but a lot of altcoins that reached those places or even under are often seen in my site. So I mentioned about March 6th. And now this article says before halving in past, they dropped almost 38% to 40% from highest point. So if this happens, Bitcoin might really fall all the way down near 40K. So it's a very scary article. I hope it doesn't fall that much. So this is a daily chart for Bitcoin. and I drew some support line. And can you see the red line under these two lines? And this is where Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin falls 40% from the highest point, that line is about 40%. So there is a support line. So maybe it is a chance to make money if the price goes all the way down there. But in current atmosphere, that is a horrifying news. So I wonder how market movers will move the market this year, but also worried about how will they move. So I think under 60K would be quite easy. So always keep that in mind at these places. And in recent bear market, cryptos related with Solana stayed in its position or even increased. So which is Sol and how do I read this? Pyth, Pyth, and WIF is them. So what is noticeable is WIF, a meme coin. So I will explain reason of bullishness of meme coins in tomorrow. And Solana related cryptos have another issue next month, so I think they will show good performance in later too. And this doesn't mean that you should buy it right now. It's just expectation that it might show better performance than other cryptos. And this is a liquidation heat map for Bitcoin. And you can see that there are a lot of short positions that's gathering up there about 69K, but the Bitcoin is keep falling. It's moving under 66K. So we should have a look whether market movers will go up there and liquidate those or not. So before the interest rate release, always keep in mind about further decrease. And this is a liquidation heat map for Ethereum. And you can see also there are a lot of short positions of 3.59K. But I think the gap is quite much, so it's really difficult to reach there soon. So I think it will get a little rebound, but this area would be very difficult. In current site. And this is a RSI heat map, and I brought a March 15th one and today's one. And you can see the difference in 4 days. The whole crypto just went all the way down to the green area right now. So I've recently never seen this much big decrease in the RSI heat map. It's very, very not happening, often. So I think falling huge like that will definitely give a rebound. So, but I think the cryptos that reach all the way to the overbought or strong area would be coins that are only moved by market movers. So I think try buying some cryptos that fell a lot, and if you buy them and get some profit, just take profits very very artistically. That is where your trading ability is proved. So now let's have a look at Goya Premium chart. So starting from Bitcoin, and before that, let's have a look at Goya Dominance chart. So this point, 40 points, it's 12 o'clock, so it's what I introduced in the presentation. And it even reached all the way to minus 60 points, and then now it recovered to minus 20. But it is still a bear market. And if you look at the score chart is mentioning a slight rebound, but I think that is difficult for a while. So with an SNS2 signal, it was moving in sideways and then made a significant drop all the way down to 6.3K. Now it's falling more even. So it broke through the Bollinger Band and keep decreasing, so maybe it will go down all the way to 60 maybe today. So this line 63.6k is acting right now as a first support. By 1 and 2 and 3, just 3 supports line are gathered there. So if it breaks through there, then it will possibly drop all the way down more. So keep watch on this area carefully. The falling power is just incredible right now, so I suggest you to just one step out from the market right now. And let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum's score chart and the price chart is meeting right now. So Ethereum seems like it's falling more than Bitcoin right now. So it even reached to 3.2k. Yeah, it is touching the first, 1, 2, 3 support line altogether gathered here. So if it breaks through here, the next line will be 3205 and 3152. So it's falling incredibly. I suggest you to not trade if you're a spot trader. I don't know what to say in this incredible bear market right now. So Ripple just got an SNS3 and broke down the Goya line, and the slope just changed into a decrease line. Now it seems like it's falling all the way down to the 0.58. So if the Ripple is in the area under $0.6, I suggest you to buy it and gather some coins. It's because Ripple has a very good insight in future. So see Ripple as a long-term investment in your portfolio, and I suggest you to keep gather some Ripples. Maybe this is a very good timing for you to buy some and make, how do I say, it's multiply your crypto amount. And this is a Doji coin right now, and the Doji started to keep falling, so it made a rebound from all the way up to here, but failed to make another rebound, and now it's following Ethereum and Bitcoin, so it's falling. And Doji coin also, it's good to buy under 0.132, I think. So I suggest you to gather some if you're a spot trader, and then wait for it to rebound is a good idea, I think. So thank you for listening to Briefing, and I hope you guys to have a safe trade in this unbelievable bear market. So have a good day. Bye.